You are watching English Made Easy with Han.
फिक्स्ड प्रेपोजिशन, मुंदरजा झैल प्रेपोजिशन झैल में दिए गए चार्ट के मुताबिक ज़हन नशीन कर लें। इम्तिहानी नुक्ता नज़र से ये चार्ट बहुत मुफीद होगा। मुंदरजा झैल अफ़आल के साथ हमेशा एट इस्तेमाल होता है। एम एट, लाफ एट, रिजॉयस एट, स्नीयर एट, नॉक एट, अलार्म एट। नाउ टेक एग्जांपल्स इन सेंटेंसेस। He aimed at the pigeon but missed it. I laughed at my folly. He rejoiced at my success in the examination. He sneered at the shortcomings of his officer. Do not sneer at the poor. Who knocked at the door? The thief was alarmed at the sight of policeman. For, इन लफ्जों के साथ हमेशा for इस्तेमाल होता है। Eligible for, hope for, compete for, apologize for, famous for, notorious for, long for. Women are not eligible for this post. ख़वातीन इस असामी के लिए अहल नहीं हैं। Please hope for the best. He should compete for the essay competition. उसको मजमून नवीसी के मुकाबले में मुकाबला करना चाहिए। He apologized for his silly behavior. उसने अपने अहमकाना रवैये की माजरत की। He is famous for singing. He is notorious for gambling. He longs for old days of childhood. वो बचपन के जो पुराने दिन हैं उनकी ख्वाहिश करता है। Longs for, ख्वाहिश करना। Fixed preposition from. From किन अल्फाज के साथ इस्तेमाल होता है? Allied from, disqualified from, different from, prohibited from, differ from. He alighted from the train at 6 a.m. He is disqualified from contesting the election. The animals are different from birds in their habits. He prohibited me from smoking. उसने मुझे सिगरेट पीने से मना किया। Cats differ from dogs sharply. बिल्लियां कुत्तों से बहुत ज्यादा मुख्तलिफ हैं। Fixed preposition in. इन मुंदरजा झैल अल्फाज के साथ हमेशा इन इस्तेमाल किया जाता है। कंसिस्ट इन, परसिस्ट इन, ऑब्जर्व्ड इन, एक्सेल इन, कन्फाइड इन, इंडल्ज इन। हैप्पीनेस कंसिस्ट्स इन पीस ऑफ माइंड। खुशी ज़हनी सुकून के साथ, ज़हनी सुकून पर मुश्तमिल है। खुशी ज़हनी सुकून पर मुश्तमिल है। He persisted in going to Lahore in the evening. शाम को उसने लाहौर जाने पर इसरार किया। He was absorbed in his study when I went there. मैं जब वहां गया तो वो अपने मुताला में महव था। She excels in other in singing. गाने गाने में वो दूसरों से सबकत ले जाती। I confide in your honesty. मैं आपकी ईमानदारी पर भरोसा करता हूँ। He is proficient in music. मौसीकी का वो माहिर है। I don't indulge in daydreams. फिक्स्ड प्रेपोजिशन ऑफ। ऑफ किन अल्फाज के साथ इस्तेमाल किया जाता है? एक्यूज्ड ऑफ, अप्रूव्ड ऑफ, अशेम्ड ऑफ, अवेल ऑफ, बोस्ट ऑफ, कंसिस्ट ऑफ, डिवाइड ऑफ, जेलस ऑफ, सीक ऑफ, प्राउड ऑफ, इग्नोरेंट ऑफ, डाई ऑफ। ही वॉज एक्यूज्ड ऑफ थेफ्ट। उस पर चोरी का इल्जाम लगा। ये इल्जाम लगने के लिए याद रखिए कि चार्ज्ड विद होता है और एक्यूज्ड ऑफ होता है। दोनों का मतलब सेम है। चार्ज विद का मतलब भी इल्जाम लगना और एक्यूज्ड ऑफ का मतलब भी इल्जाम लगना, लेकिन एक्यूज के साथ ऑफ और चार्ज के साथ विद प्रेपोजिशन इस्तेमाल की जाती है। ही वॉज एक्यूज्ड ऑफ थेफ्ट। आई डोंट अप्रूव ऑफ योर कंडक्ट। आई एम नॉट अशेम्ड ऑफ माई डीड्स। यू शुड अवेल योर सेल्फ ऑफ दिस अपॉर्चुनिटी। ही बोस्ट्स ऑफ हिज वेल्थ। This room consists of doors and cupboards. He is devoid of good sense. He is jealous of my success. He is sick of leading a lonely life. I am proud of your ability. He is ignorant of my success. He died of cholera. Fixed preposition on. मुंदरजा झैल अल्फाज के साथ on preposition इस्तेमाल की जाती है। Congratulate on, insist on, go on, defend on, revenge on. I congratulate him on his success. I insisted on his going there. मैंने उसके वहां जाने पर इसरार किया। The prices of petrol went on increasing. Do not depend on the labor of others. I took revenge on my enemy. मैंने अपने दुश्मन से बदला लिया. Fixed preposition to. Alive to, applicable to, kind to, sensitive to, devoted to, listen to, injurious to, hostile to, preferred to, addicted to, senior to, junior to, superior to, inferior to, prior to, elder to. He is alive to the situation. This law is not applicable to the new situation. Be kind to the animals. He is sensitive to cold. He is devoted to the study of music. Please listen to me. Smoking is injurious to health. He is hostile to the country. I prefer tea to milk. He is addicted to gambling. Fixed preposition with. Agree with, compete with, comply with, familiar with, quarrel with, gifted with, overwhelmed with. I agree with you in this matter. I competed with him in the essay competition. I complied with his instructions. I am familiar with the figures of postmen. Do not quarrel with your neighbor. He is gifted with the power of speech. He is overwhelmed with grief at the death of his mother. Fixed preposition followed by gerunds. Do not use the infinitive with certain words which require a preposition followed by a gerund or by a verbal noun. जब preposition के फौरन बाद फेल लगाया जाए तो वो gerund की शक्ल में होना चाहिए, यानी फेल की पहली फॉर्म के साथ ing का इजाफा करें, यानी preposition के फौरी बाद फेल के तौर पर gerund लगाएं, यानी verbal noun. चंद अल्फाज ये हैं जिनके साथ gerund इस्तेमाल होता है. Insist on, objection to, good at, accused of, fond of, go on, prevent from, afraid of, used to, feel like, persist in, refrain from, prohibit from, abstain from, confident of, excel in, addicted to, averse to, believe in, bent on, chance of, desirous of, despaired of, difficulty in, disqualified for, duty of, excuse for, expert in, fortunate in, hinder from, hope of, humiliation of, indefatigable in, intent on, justified in, knack of, necessity of, privilege of, power of, practice of, pretext for, right in, scruple in, think of. Now let's take these examples in sentences. He is addicted to gambling, not to gamble. यहाँ he is addicted to gamble हम नहीं कर सकते. Addict के साथ हमेशा fixed preposition to इस्तेमाल होती है, तो उसके बाद object gambling gerund इस्तेमाल होगा. I assisted her in climbing the hill. He is averse to playing cards. I don't believe in pampering servants. I am bent on attending the meeting. He has hardly any chance of succeeding. He is confident of securing the first prize. He is desirous of visiting Japan. He despaired of achieving his object. There is some difficulty in perceiving his meaning. Hereafter he is disqualified for holding any government post. Remember the duty of helping the poor. He excels in painting. You can have no excuse for talking bluntly. He is expert in inventing stories. I am fond of reading novels. This firm was fortunate in securing the government's support. What hindered you from visiting the museum? He was disappointed in the hope of being rewarded. He felt the humiliation of withdrawing his words. We should be indefatigable in doing good. He insisted on having my say. He is intent on visiting Pakistan. You were not justified in imputing motives to him. He has a knack of doing good. He appreciated the necessity of acting promptly. He persisted in disobeying the orders. He lacks the power of imparting, although he is a good mathematical scholar. The practice of cramming is rightly regarded as an evil. It was only a pretext for delaying the matter. What is there to prevent him from leaving Lahore? I had the privilege of knowing him intimately. They were prohibited from entering the village. I refrained from hurting his feeling. You were right in suspecting him. There is little satisfaction in sitting idle. He has no scruple in begging. He succeeded in convincing his critics. He thought of eluding his pursuers. I am tired of writing letters to him. If you have any question, go to the comment section and comment, subscribe our channel, and also tap the bell icon so you may stay updated.